Hey guys, it's Brandon Boyer here. I'm standing inside the brand new 2020 Grand Design Reflection 300 RBTS travel trailer. It's under 35 feet and under 8,000 pounds dry weight. Come on in and let's have a look. This is the brand new Pebble Interior. The people have spoken, the Grand Design listened. Everybody wanted a lighter interior. A lot of them were very dark furniture, dark flooring, dark counters. Grand Design listened and they nailed it. The furniture is much lighter. The cabinets have changed tones. And the new colors are definitely neutral enough that you get the perfect combo of the light and the dark colors. The huge bathroom has a unique medicine cabinet with 3 different medicine cabinets and mirrors. Okay, one thing about the reflection you can get is a 12 cubic foot refrigerator. A lot of them only come with the 8 cubic foot, but you can actually now get the 12 cubic foot nor cold demand fridge and freezer, double freezers. Alright, so moving into the bedroom here, what they did with this model is they put the bedroom slide out in. So you can get a double slide model under 35 feet, under 8,000 pounds, fully insulated reflection travel trailer. You have washer and dryer hookups inside the huge closet. You have a huge bank of drawers in the bedroom, and of course you can put a TV above. So the huge closet, washer and dryer is tucked away. Huge storage in the bedroom. Tons of counter space. Here it is. Come see it. It's a 2020 Grand Design Reflection 300 RBTS.